Forma Composite is a zirconia nanohybrid formula which produces excellent aesthetic restorations, whether layering or using a single body shade. It provides an ideal balance between stunning aesthetics and high physical properties, resulting in beautiful restorations that endure, even in very thin layers. The zirconia particles in Forma Composite are rounded, giving a beautiful high-gloss finish and an enhanced durability to the restoration, making Forma Composite ideal for both interior and posterior applications. A smooth, pliable consistency allows for total control during manipulation. Once this material is shaped, it won't flow or slump out of place. The shade system matches closely with the Vita Classical Shade Guide, making shade selection easy and predictable. The Dentin, Enamel, and Effect shades were designed to emulate the same levels of translucency and opacity seen in natural dentition, while the body shades offer intermediate translucency levels and a chameleon effect that allows the clinician to create highly aesthetic restorations with only one shade via the simple one-step color placement. The dispersion of nanofillers and the zirconia particles in Forma Composite allow for a high polish and long-term gloss retention. Low volume shrinkage and low shrinkage stress reduce the potential for strain on the restoration during polymerization. The unique 4-gram syringe features an innovative design that allows for ease of use and effective cleaning. The convenient flip cap can be used with one hand and always stays connected with the syringe. Forma Composite is a true universal composite. Its excellent handling, intuitive shade system, and stunning aesthetics make it the ideal composite for every case.